Welcome one and all to the world of Fishbeard. Some of you will know Captain Fishbeard already from Captain Fishbeard Volume 1 and Volume 2. But now it's become clear the people want more.
Hello, I enjoyed the Captain Fishbones book, thank you.
But great art takes time, and I was simply too busy. So I got these guys to help me! That's right, the very cream of the comics crop. Established famous writers and artists to emerging new talents. And to pad it all out a bit, some more stuff from me. Here it is, with a beautiful cover etched by the one and only Roger Langridge. And if you choose to support me in this endeavour, you may choose one of two rewards, book or digital book. I thank you for your time and your patience. Goodbye!